can also act as a calculator. Let me show you that. How is that possible? Okay, I'm going to move it up here, going to terminal, and I'm going to clear this. I'm going to type Python to go to Python interpreter. Okay, so you just have to type an expression and it will return the value for you. So this parenthesis means group. Okay, it's used for grouping. Okay, let me show you an example here. For example, okay, this is the Python interpreter, and I'm telling that it can be used as a calculator too. For example, we have 5 plus 1. Hit enter. It will immediately give you the result of 5 plus 1, which is 6. 12 plus 12 and multiplied by 23. When you hit enter, okay, it is giving you the result of that. So also this is that part. Okay, also it can be done using grouping. Okay, like this. Okay, 100, let's use grouping. So it's gonna be 100 minus or hyphen 5 multiplied by 5, and I'm going to divide the whole thing by 15. Hit enter. So it is giving me 5, which is a float. Okay, so it is how it can be used, okay, as a calculator. The integer number are also the int type. Okay, so how can we use this? Okay, so all numbers like these are integers. Okay, when they have some dot, okay, or point and then other number, it changes to float number. Okay, so as you see right now, this 5.0, it is a float. Okay, right now let me show you. We have a, which is equal to 5.0. now if I search for type a and hit enter, it's a float. Okay, it is giving me that as a float. But if I change the value to something else, like just 5, okay, now if I type a and hit enter, it is giving me int, which is integer. Okay, so it is how we can use and learn the Python interpreter for numbers. Okay, to calculate power, Python has this one. Okay, let me show you this one. This means power. Okay, operator. Let me show you that in an example. For example, we have 2 power by 2. Okay, this means 4. When I hit enter, 4. How about 3? Okay, it's gonna be 27. Okay, let me use Control D and then clear it, and again use Python to go again inside that. Okay, how was that? It is going to be 3 multiplied by 3 and once more multiplied by 3. It is 27. Okay, so what else can I do? I can do this like this. When I hit enter, it's giving me 27. So this 2 multiply means power. Okay, and also the equal sign. Okay, we talked about this. You know what this means, so I'm not gonna go with that once again, or let's go with that once again. The equal sign is used for assigning a value to a variable. How? M is equal to, for example, 50, and also N is going to be equal to it multiplied by it. Okay, so I have M and I have N. Now I have 2 variable. Okay, now I'm going to use M multiplied by N. So when I hit enter, it is giving me a value. This is the result of multiplication of M and N. Okay, I can store this inside another variable, but I didn't. Okay, I just got the result, which is 3200. So it is how we can do this. Okay, let me tell you one more thing. If a variable does not have any value and we still try to use it, then the Python interpreter will show you an error. How? For example, this p, okay, this p is a variable and it doesn't have any kind of value, or it's not assigned. When I want to see this, I type p and hit enter. It is telling me that name error. Name p is not defined, okay? So it is how the error will be pop out. But if you give a value to this, and now if you hit that, it will give you the result of that, okay? It is how we can use numbers with Python interpreter, okay? So let's go and use these numbers, okay, within the IDE, not the Python interpreter, okay, not in terminal. I'm going to use it with the other thing, okay. Here I'm going to use the number here as an example, okay.